Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Speaking Edge. We're so happy you're here with us again, ready to learn and grow in your English journey.
Yes, and today we're exploring a beautiful topic that helps you practice storytelling, emotions, and descriptive English, talking about your favorite childhood memory.
This lesson is perfect for all English levels, because childhood memories are easy to talk about, meaningful to remember, and full of natural vocabulary you can use every day.
Exactly. And when you speak about memories, you connect past experiences with present emotions, which makes your English sound warm, natural, and confident.
Before we begin, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to English Speaking Edge.
Your support really helps us continue creating useful, real-life English lessons for learners all around the world.
Alright, let's begin.
Let's talk about childhood, happy moments, and memories that still make us smile today.
So Alex, if you had to choose just one, what is your favorite childhood memory?
That's a difficult question because I have many, but there is one that always makes my heart warm every time I think about it.
That sounds lovely. What happened in that memory?
It was a summer afternoon when I was around 8 years old, and my family decided to take a spontaneous trip to the beach.
Oh, I love spontaneous trips.
Me too. They always end up being the most special ones.
So what made that day so memorable?
Everything felt magical, the sunlight, the sea breeze, and the feeling of freedom that only children truly experience.
That sounds beautiful.
Yes, and I remember running barefoot across the sand, feeling like the entire beach belonged to me.
Did you go swimming?
Oh yes, I jumped into the waves again and again, laughing so hard I could barely breathe.
That must have been so joyful.
It really was. I felt completely alive and carefree.
Who were you with?
My parents and my older sister, and everyone seemed relaxed and happy that day.
It's amazing how a single day can stay with us for a lifetime.
Yes, and I think it stayed with me because everything felt so simple and perfect.
Do you remember any small details from that day?
Yes, I remember the smell of sunscreen, the sound of seagulls, and the cold soda my dad bought for us.
Those little details make memories vivid.
Exactly, they bring the moment back to life.
Did anything funny happen that day?
Yes, actually, I tried to build the biggest sandcastle ever, but a giant wave destroyed it instantly.
Oh no.
I cried for maybe 2 seconds, then laughed because it looked so dramatic.
Kids recover so fast.
Yes, everything becomes funny again after a moment.
Do you think that memory shaped who you are today?
In some ways, yes, it taught me to appreciate simple moments.
I love that.
Thank you.
Do you still visit that beach sometimes?
Yes, and every time I go, a part of me feels like that 8-year-old again.
That's the magic of childhood memories.
Absolutely.
Do you have another childhood memory you love?
Yes, another favorite memory is baking cookies with my grandmother.
Oh, that sounds sweet in every way.
It really was. She always let me choose the shapes, and I usually picked stars.
What made that moment special?
The kitchen always smelled like vanilla, and she talked to me like I was a little adult.
That must have made you feel important.
Yes, I felt trusted and loved.
What kind of cookies did you make?
Simple butter cookies, but they tasted like happiness to me.
Childhood food memories are powerful.
Yes, because they connect taste with emotion.
Did you ever burn the cookies?
Many times, but my grandmother would say, burnt edges just mean extra flavor.
That's adorable.
Yes, she always made mistakes feel okay.
Did you help with the mixing?
Yes, although most of the flour ended up on the table or on me.
Classic childhood baking disaster.
Exactly, but those messy moments were the best ones.
Do you still bake today?
Yes, and every time I do, I think of her.
So these memories are not just stories. They're part of who you are.
Yes, they shaped my idea of home and love.
What emotions do you feel when you think about your childhood memories?
Mostly warmth, comfort, and a bit of nostalgia.
Nostalgia can be beautiful and sad at the same time.
Exactly, it's like smiling with a tiny tear inside.
Do you think childhood feels different when you look back as an adult?
Yes, everything seems bigger, brighter, and slower in a good way.
Why do you think that is?
Because when we're young, we experience everything with fresh eyes.
That's a lovely explanation.
Thank you.
Did you play outdoors a lot as a child?
Yes, almost every day after school.
What kinds of games did you play?
Hide and seek, tag, and sometimes we invented games with absolutely no rules.
Those are the best games.
Yes, pure imagination.
Any funny outdoor memories?
Once I climbed a tree and got stuck for 20 minutes.
Who rescued you?
My sister, but only after laughing at me first.
Of course. That's what siblings do.
Yes,
Did you have any favorite toys?
yes, a small red toy car that I carried everywhere,
Everywhere?
even to family weddings.
That's adorable.
I thought it made me look cool.
Did you watch a lot of cartoons as a kid?
Yes, Saturday mornings were sacred.
What was your favorite show?
A silly superhero cartoon that now looks terrible, but back then felt amazing.
Childhood taste is special.
Yes, we like things with our hearts, not our logic.
Did you ever get in trouble as a kid?
Oh yes, mostly for laughing too loudly in class.
At least it's a positive kind of trouble.
True.
What smell reminds you of childhood?
Fresh cut grass, it makes me think of summer mornings.
What sound reminds you of childhood?
Swing chains squeaking in the playground.
That's a very specific and beautiful image.
Thank you, childhood memories often come with sounds.
What taste reminds you of childhood?
Strawberry ice cream.
Childhood summarized in one scoop.
Exactly.
Did you have a favorite holiday growing up?
Yes, New Year's Eve because my whole family gathered together.
What did you do during celebrations?
We ate too much food, laughed a lot, and stayed up past midnight.
Sounds perfect.
It really was.
Do you think children appreciate moments more than adults?
Yes, they live fully in the present.
Adults often think too much.
Exactly.
What childhood memory always makes you laugh?
The time I wore my clothes inside out the entire day and nobody told me.
Not even your parents.
They didn't notice until bedtime.
That's hilarious.
Yes.
Do you have a childhood memory that still teaches you something today?
Yes, falling off a bike and realizing that getting back up is part of life.
Beautiful metaphor.
Thank you.
Was learning to ride a bike difficult?
Very. I fell at least 20 times.
But you learned eventually.
Yes, persistence works.
Did you spend a lot of time with friends as a kid?
Yes, we spent hours doing absolutely nothing, yet everything felt fun.
Childhood friendships are magical.
Yes, simple and pure.
Did you have a favorite school memory?
Yes, when our teacher let us paint the classroom walls.
Wait. Paint the walls.
Yes, with bright colors, it was amazing.
That must have felt like freedom.
It did.
What about reading? Did you love books as a child?
Yes, books felt like secret doors to other worlds.
Which book stayed with you the longest?
A simple adventure story about a brave little boy.
Do you still have it?
Yes, the pages are old, but I keep it.
That's lovely.
Yes.
Did your family take a lot of trips when you were young?
Not many, but every trip felt huge.
Even small trips feel big to children.
Yes, even going to the next town felt like an adventure.
Do you miss being a child sometimes?
Sometimes, mostly the feeling of having no worries.
But we carry those memories with us.
Yes, they become emotional treasures.
What was your favorite place as a child?
A small park near my house with a big old tree.
What made it special?
I used to sit under it and imagine magical stories.
Childhood imagination is powerful.
Yes, limitless.
Did you collect anything as a child?
Yes, shiny stones.
That's adorable.
I still have a few.
What was your biggest childhood fear?
The dark. I thought monsters lived in my closet.
Many children feel that way.
Yes.
What was your happiest birthday memory?
When my parents surprised me with a small cake shaped like a dinosaur.
A dinosaur cake?
Yes, it was perfect.
What was your favorite childhood game?
Building forts out of blankets.
Childhood architecture.
Yes.
Do you think your childhood was happy overall?
Yes, Simple, loving, and full of laughter.
That's wonderful.
I'm grateful.
What do you miss the most?
The feeling of having an entire day with nothing planned.
That freedom is rare as adults.
Yes.
What do you think children teach us?
To see beauty in small things.
That's so true.
Yes.
Would you say childhood memories make you who you are?
Absolutely, they shape our hearts.
I agree.
Thank you.
What advice would you give learners telling their childhood stories?
Use simple sentences, but add feelings and small details.
So storytelling doesn't need fancy vocabulary.
Exactly, it needs emotion.
What details should learners include?
Where it happened, who was there, and how they felt.
Very clear.
Yes.
Should they speak slowly?
Yes. Good storytelling takes time.
And pauses help people imagine the scene.
Exactly.
What if they forget a word?
Describe it simply. Childhood stories don't need perfection.
True.
Yes.
What if someone says their childhood wasn't perfect?
Everyone has at least one small happy moment. Even a simple smile counts.
That's a beautiful thought.
Thank you.
Do you think sharing memories brings people closer?
Absolutely. Memories connect hearts.
I agree completely.
Thank you.
Would you encourage learners to write their memories down?
Yes. Writing helps organize thoughts and emotions.
What should they start with?
One of my favorite childhood memories is simple and effective.
Beautiful storytelling starter.
Yes.
Do you think we should protect our inner child?
Yes. It keeps us joyful and creative.
I love that.
Me too.
Any final message to learners?
Your childhood memories are treasures. Share them proudly.
Very inspiring.
Thank you.
I enjoyed this conversation so much.
Me too. Talking about childhood always warms the heart.
Thank you all for joining us today.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Speaking Edge.
See you next time and keep your memories alive. They make your English more personal and beautiful.
Goodbye, everyone.